Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing in and installing the Cloud Drive app. Do it now to start syncing. Choose a single provider to avoid confusion, then sign in with your primary account and enable two-step verification. Once installed, allow the app to run at startup and grant folder access so it can sync files automatically. Make sure sync is turned on in settings. This initial setup saves time later and ensures changes on one device propagate to all devices without extra manual steps. Next, organize and upload so your cloud drive becomes usable instantly. Create a simple folder hierarchy: work, personal, archive, and move files into those folders. This reduces duplication and speeds searches. Use selective sync to keep only essential folders offline, which frees local disk space, and enable automatic camera uploads on mobile for photos. Upload files by drag and drop or save as from apps. Once uploaded, confirm file integrity and let the service finish syncing before closing your device to avoid partial uploads or conflicts. Finish by verifying and securing your cloud drive so it reliably protects data. Check sync status and open a few files to confirm the latest versions are present. Use version history to restore if needed. Schedule regular backups of critical folders and monitor storage. Upgrade the plan when within 10–20% of capacity. Share files with explicit permissions and expiration dates to control access. If sync stalls, restart the app, check your connection, and resolve file name conflicts. Those steps fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.